table for the cheap party. Party of 3. How you doing, guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yes, sir. Right this way. Here to our left.
Okay.
All the bathrooms in the bathroom. Welcome to the Grand Ballroom. This is where Venus and Val fall in love and have that first dance. Also, where we have this center chandelier that's about 10 feet tall from top to bottom, and an import from Italy. And afterwards, always smell organzy right with us.
Thank you. The potato leek soup. That looks good. The tuna tartare.
And some grapes.
Thank you very much.
Macaron on your plate's my favorite. Lemon jam and raspberry buttercream. And you have chocolate turd with your green stuff, and white chocolate chip candy, and a dark chocolate and strawberry glaze. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Very good.
You'll paint your teapot. You got red and yellow.
That's a neat room. Look at all the pictures. There's Beauty and the Beast. Wow. Let's go see the Rose. Yeah. She's dressed like Belle. You want to see the Rose over there? Go check it out. Stand there. Okay, you ready? Be Our Guest restaurant was great. What'd you think, Joanna?
It was very good. I love the food.